Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving sixth problem in exercise 2.1. Here the question is, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor HCF of 340 and 412. This is first sub question, 340 and 412. Here, what is the question? We need to calculate HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. We need to find out HCF using Euclid's division algorithm. For solving this problem, you need to know the concept, two concepts, that is Euclid's division algorithm and Euclid's division lemma. That two concepts I had explained in my previous classes. The video link is in the description. You check it out. Then only you can solve this problem easily. Now we can solve the problem. For the solution, I have written the question. We have to calculate HCF for 412 and 340. What is the procedure of Euclid's division algorithm? We need to continue the division process until we reach the remainder 0. In between, in each step, we should follow Euclid's division lemma formula. Okay. Now, we have to write Euclid's division lemma formula first. What is Euclid's division lemma formula? Euclid's division lemma formula is A equals BQ plus R. What is A? Dividend. B? Divisor. Q? Quotient. R? Remainder. Okay. Now, we can divide 412 by 340. One into 340, right? 2 into 340, it becomes 680. We have 412. So, we can use this one. 1 into 340, 340. 2 minus 0, 2. 11 minus 4, 7. Right? Here, 0. Then, we should apply all the values in this formula. What is A here? 412. What is B here? 340. Q, 1 plus R, 72. Right? Here, the remainder is 72. So, we should continue the division process. In next step, this 340 becomes dividend, and this 72 becomes divisor, right? So 172, 1 into 72, 72. 2 into 72, 144. 3 into 72, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 7 into 3, 21. 216. Right? So that we can take this one. 3 into 72, 216. If we go for 4, 72 into 4. 4 into 2, 8. 7 into 4, 288, right? So we can take 4. And if you are checking 5, 5 into 2, 10. 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus 1, 36. So we can take this 4. Okay. So here 4 into 72, 288. If you want to subtract 288 from 340, Here we need to take 1. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 8. 2. Here 9 will be coming. Not 9. 3. 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. 5. Here we are getting the remainder 52. So we should apply all the values in this formula. What is dividend? 340. Divisor 72. Quotient 4. Remainder 52. Right? Here the remainder is 52. We should continue the process. So in next step, this 52 becomes divisor. This 72 becomes dividend. 152. 1 into 52, 52. 72 minus 52, 20. Right? So here what is dividend? 72. Divisor 52 into 1 plus 20. Again we have to continue. So in this case 20 becomes divisor, 52 becomes dividend. 1 into 20, 20. 2 into 20, 40. 40. 52 minus 40, 12. So here what is dividend? 52 in 20 into 2 plus 12. In next step, 12 becomes divisor, 20 becomes dividend. 1 into 12, 12. 20 minus 12, 8. So here 20 equal 12 into 1 plus 8. Right? In next step, this 12 becomes dividend, 8 becomes divisor. 1 into 8, 8. Here 12 minus 8, 4. So how we can write this formula? 12 equal 8 into 1 plus 4. Then in next step, 8 becomes dividend, 4 becomes divisor. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. We reach the remainder 0. So in next step what we have to write? We have to apply this value, right? 4, this all values 4, 2, 0. How we can write? 8, right? 8 equals 4 into 2 plus 0. This is the last step. So what is the answer? What is the value of HCF? 4, right? In this stage only we are getting the remainder 0. In this stage what we have the number as divisor, that is called HCF. That is the concept, right? So here what is the answer? 4, right? 4. How we can write the answer? HCF of 340 comma 412 is 4, right? This is the answer of 4th sub question in 6th problem of exercise 2.1. Now we can solve next question, next sub question in 6th problem of exercise 2.1. This is second sub question. We need to calculate HCF of 876 and 258. We are going to follow the same thing what we have done in previous problem. So here we need to divide 867 we need to divide 867 by 255. Formula, Euclid's division formula, Euclid's division lemma formula. A equals BQ plus R, right? So here 1 into 255, 255, 2 into 255, 510, right? So we can multiply 255 by 3. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we can check 3, right? 3 into 255, 765. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 6, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. So here, what is the dividend? 867. What is the divisor? 255. Quotient 3 plus remainder 102. Now, we have to divide 255 by 102. So 255 becomes dividend, divisor 102, right? 101 into 102, 102, 2 into 102, 204, 204. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we can apply all the values. Here what is dividend? 255 equals 102 into 2 plus 51. Right? This is 51, so we should continue. In next step, 51 would be divisor. 102 would be dividend. 1 into 51, 51. 2 into 51, 102, right? 1 into 2, 2. 5 into 2, 100. 10. 5 into 2, 10. So, 102. 2 into 51, 102. 102 minus 102, 0. Now, we reach the remainder 0. So, in this case, what we have, the number as divisor 51. So the answer is 51, right? Answer means HCF. Before that, we should apply the values. 102 equals 51 into 2 plus 0. Answer is 51, right? How we can write the answer? HCF of 867 and 255 is 51, right? This is the answer of second sub-question in sixth problem of exercise 2.1. This is all about second sub-question. 2 more sub-questions are there. You can follow the same thing and try to do yourself. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.